Good day, your mentor, Narco speaking. Big opportunity this April. I'll be giving away free VIP daily setups. Yes, you heard that right. For the whole month of April, I'll be sending out premium trading setups. But here's the catch, it's only valid for the first 10 people. If you want to join, text me right now before the spots are gone. This is your chance to level up your trading game with high probability setups. What are you waiting for? Text me right now and let's get into the video. Okay, so just a quick breakdown of the technical analysis that I caught in my VIP server. So here we have Euro USD. Okay, so it's going to be basically a top-down analysis of the setup that I caught on Euro USD, the 6R setup that I caught. Okay, so here we are on the 8-hour chart. Then I've managed to see that the price has been pushing to the upside, whereas my previous lower high has been violated here. Okay, so meaning that this bearish trend is coming to an end, and this bullish trend is coming to a stop. Okay, so with that being said, I also managed to see that there is a lot of liquidity that is lying here, whereas price needs to fill before price pushes to the upside, right? So as this is the 8-hour chart, so we are just going to move to the lower time frame, which is going to be the 15-minute chart. Okay, so this is where I caught my trade. Okay, so here on the 15-minute chart, we can clearly see that now price is on a bearish trend, whereas price is violating our lower lows and respecting our lower highs, violating our lower lows, respecting our lower highs consistently. So, and you can see that we can confirm that we are on a downtrend, a bearish trend. Okay, so now I managed to see that here the same thing is happening again, whereas now what I have to do is that just look for a valid supply area, right? So here we are trading in between this lower low and this lower high. Okay, so now I managed to see that this here is going to be our strong high, and this here is going to be our strong low, okay. Also on the 15-minute time frame, I managed to see that we have this beautiful supply area that is waiting for us to take our selling opportunities from. Okay, so this is going to be our 15-minute time frame, 15-minute supply. And if you want to refine this, you can just go on to your 5-minute chart. Okay, and then you're going to see this supply area here. You can also mark that out. Okay, so so now we have everything lined up. We have our range lined up, we have our area of entry lined up. Okay, so now what's left for us is for price to play out and for us to take our entries. Okay, so when you play price here, we can see that now price taps us into our supply area there and pushes to the downside and violates our previous lower low. Okay, so basically our previous lower low is always our take profit. Okay, so this trade setup was sent in our VIP group, and all my entries and the profits that I've made will be shown on the screen just right now. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.